Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to personalize notifications on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the notifications and status bar section. Here we can click on the notifications management, and on the right upper corner you will see the settings icon. Just tap here once and here click to the when device is locked. So we can here select the feature to show all the notifications when our device is locked, or just don't show them at all. So for example, I'll stay with to show these notifications while our device screen is locked. And now here you can see all our available applications on our device, and for example I'll show you only with one application the how to personalize this. For example, not the calendar, maybe the Facebook one. Click there, and here you can allow the notifications by click once on the switcher. Also we can here enable or disable to show the notifications from this Facebook on in our status bar here, for example. Also here we can just enable or disable the banners on the top here on the status bar. Also we can just here to turn to enable or disable the feature to show the notifications on our device lock screen from Facebook application when the device is locked. Also here we can allow the notifications for this app to ring first and give them priority interruption status. Also we can here just turn on or turn off the vibration and the ringtone of this notification. And by the same way you can also personalize all of your applications notifications. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.